Okay, now on to the main course. So this week, following along a fairly traditional kind of style, we've got some Springfield roast chicken leg, some mustardy mash, some pepper spray and broccoli with some buttery bacon, or bacony butter, depending on how you want to look at it. Some buttered carrots and some thyme gravy. First thing, we'll get our chicken in the oven. Put that on. Pop, 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 pop. Straight in. So next up, we'll get our mash in. So goes our mash. Just turn it on a sort of low heat to start with, and I'm just going to, I would normally just add a little bit of a splash of moisture just to get it going. That's a bit of milk, but you could just use water, or you could be really naughty and put lots more butter in. There's already a bit in the mash. Or if you got the vegan option, you could use some almond milk or some oat milk. Okay, well that's on. I'm going to just get my gravy in. Just give that a little rinse out. Just a splash, please, sir. And then pop it in the old pan after, mate. Yeah, thank you. It's on. So I'm sort of medium-high heat at the moment. You have to watch the mash and just keep on moving it and maybe adding a bit more moisture. It's a bit like when we do the polenta, but not quite so strenuous. Okay, I'll bring it up to the boil. Okay, so mash is getting pretty warm there. Gravy's coming up. So, first things first, I'll pop my carrots in there. And then we're kind of just going to let that melt and heat the carrots through that way. And the gravy's just coming up to a boil. So then in the other pan we'll do the broccoli with the bacon butter. Gravy's bubbling. Going to move the mash and the gravy out of the way for a minute whilst we get these guys hot. It's all looking pretty good. Bring that gravy just up to a quick boil. Move them out of the way. Just keep that ticking over. Then I'll get my plates ready. Okay, we're ready to plate. See, the chicken is looking good, not foul. First thing we're going to do is get the mash on. Now you can do this wherever you want, but I'm going to pop it on one side, like that. Next up, the carrots. Lay our broccoli across there. Just get your bacon bits. Put them on top. Finally, get the chicken. Pop it like this. Try and do it so you get that leg sticking up in the air. And finally, some of the gravy. Here we go.